Hi everyone, I'm Lina. Are you looking for the LED screens for your events? Today, let's take a look at our rental displays, the MY series. The MY series offers two different cabinet sizes, 500 by 500 millimeters, 500 by 1000 millimeters. For the pixel pitches, we provide options including P1.953, P2.604, P2.976, P3.91, which can meet the clarity needs of different scenarios. For rental screens, the convenience is the top priority, and how heavy the screen is one of the key concerns. Our MY1000 weighs about 11 kilograms, and our MY500 weighs only 6 kilograms. One people can carry it easily. The handle of our cabinets is made of the carbon fibers, which is very lightweight. The MY series offers great flexibility in installation. It supports hoisting, stage standing mounting, hanging, and floor support. Among them, the MY500 can also be edge-cut to splice into a right angle shape, adapting to outdoor venues with corners. If a curved screen is needed, after installing the curved lock, the curvature can be adjusted within the range of -6 degrees to 6 degrees, meeting the shape needs of different stages of venues. What's really reassuring is the maintenance. Our power box and the cabinets adopt a hard connection. No messy cables. When it's installing the power box or back connection, the operation is very simple, and the connection stability is stronger. The modules are magnetically designed. Replacing a spire module takes only 5 seconds, and there's no need to disassemble the entire screen, saving time and efforts. Each cabinet corner has a protective cover. Even if there's an accident during transport or installation, it can protect the screen from damage. In addition, the modules support both front and rear maintenance. For rear maintenance, just unscrew the latch from the back, hold the handle, and push forward to remove the module. Front maintenance is even simpler. Use a special front maintenance tool to suck the modules off directly. Even if the front space is narrow, you don't have to struggle with the operation, saving a lot of trouble. They are the highlights of our rental displays MY series. If you want to know more information, feel free to contact us. Thank you.